Hey, Darren here. Welcome back to Messing with Mopars. So I got the firewall painted, put a couple of coats on it. Whoa, what's going on here? Something's going on south there. So around, got it painted. I installed the slave cylinder. So now we're going to install or lay out where the reservoir is going to go. So here's the hose. So that comes up like that off the reservoir, and then like that up onto the firewall somewhere, and then here's the reservoir. So should be pretty simple install. It says to put a little bit of brake fluid on the O-rings, so we'll do that before we cinch her down. But I'll climb in here. Hopefully you guys can kind of see what's going on. So my main concern is I've got the speedo cable here and the steering shaft, and we don't want this thing rubbing on anything going through there, right? So requires one of these here. Give me that. I got a bit of brake fluid behind me here, if I can reach it. And I'll just give her a little lube there. Just helps on the O-ring, right? There we go. We know because we're not changing where that is sitting right now. Let's pull the hose out for a second. Put this clamp on. Put it on. So I gotta back it out a little bit. Don't have to back it out much. Come on. Well, why won't that go on there? There we go. I don't want to take it out too much because I don't want to try to feed it all back together. There we go. So we want that to sit like that. We'll put that over top. There. Tighten that up a little bit. There we go. Might turn it a little bit here. All right. Now I'll just take that mounting bracket off. And now we want this on there. Like so. And then we'll put that over there. Like that. If I should turn that a little more, maybe. Nah. I like it coming off a little like that. Okay, so we'll leave that there. We'll just do this here. Okay, so that's that. And then, oh, I can use that bolt there, right, like that. And that, no kinks there. So I need snips. Because I'm going to redo some of that wiring a little bit. So let's get those out of the way. Because I'm going to clean up this wiring anyhow, so it's kind of freaking messed up down here, I'll tell you what. So I don't know what's going on. don't know why that thing's way up there like that. I don't think that would be like that stock. So that's the starter. Close to the starter relay. Like, I don't know who was in here. Whoever was in here with this wiring, just totally. I don't understand. I really don't. Okay, so that's like that. Okay, I'm just gonna get rid of this shit. I don't know what this stuff's for, boys and girls. I don't know why. So let's just get rid of this. See ya. Get out of here. Okay, that's the power steering. We need that to figure out what's going on there and there. So that's supposed to go like that. And that's supposed to, so that starter should go down in there, right? Be my guess. So where's my reservoir and mount? Well, let's put a little brake fluid on that O-ring. Because we know that's what's going on there. Right? Alright. Alright. Go like that. Okay. I don't like how that sits. Frickin' metric. I wonder if I put it over here. Alright. Come there. There. And up. Like that. How does that look? Think that hinge will bonk it? Shouldn't. What's that going to be like for filling, milling? That keeps it away from everything, right? I can't really drop it down more. That's pretty good there. Should we throw a screw in it and see if it'll stay there? good, because that's going to come down. That spring's going to stay up there. It should be sitting right about there. And then I can pin it to the firewall here. Right? And that keeps everything out of the way. So I like that. Okay. So. And then. How is that possible, bud? Okay. Ta-da. So there you have it. That's where she's going to live. We'll be able to get in there and fill it still. All right. Okay.
We're not going to be doing multiple entry things. Like, oh, entry, you did 200 points or 20 entries or whatever. We're not doing that. Because I want this giveaway to be very, very fair. We have all sorts of fans out there. Let's face it, we're all in different real and hang around and get it out of here.
So there you go. That's all in place. Looks pretty good. It's out of the way. It's not going to touch the steering arm or the steering column here, so that's good. Comes along there, up there. The Tony Angelo, he's a hilarious dude, eh? So hood should close. That should all be good. I'm going to figure out the push rod for the clutch now. So that's just a bit of that's just a little bit of I gotta measure it, cut it, put it back in. It's nothing major. So I'm gonna do that right now, get that in there, and then I'll have to figure out the throw of the pedal so that we don't over center the hydraulic throw-out bearing, because that will blow out seals and then we'll start everything all over again, and we don't want to do that. Okay, so thanks a lot for coming along for the ride. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Appreciate all you guys, and see you later.